Be ready for the dictation. Start. Sir, many farmers are not able to obtain the advantage of minimum support prices because procurement centers are sometimes at a considerable distance from their farms and villages. Stop. We intend to increase the number of procurement centers so that eventually every kisan will have access to a procurement center within 10 kilometers of his village. Stop. The rural roads network will also be strengthened in a phased manner. Stop. Kisans, particularly those engaged in the farming of perishable farm commodities, are often denied a fair share of the value of their produce because of the very perishability of their produce. Stop. The only answer lies in expanding rural godowns and cold or cooled storage facilities. Stop. To this end, a special program is being instituted for the extension of institutional credit on attractive terms for the establishment of cold or cooled storage facilities in rural areas. Stop. There is scope for substantially improving credit facilities for the farm community. Stop. We propose 4 specific steps in this regard. Stop. First, we must rectify the problem of credit not being available to members of cooperatives because of the cooperatives to which they belong having become ineligible for NABARD refinance. Stop. We have decided to open with effect from the ensuing Rabi crop season a special line of credit of rupees 100 crore through cooperative and commercial banks, which will be earmarked exclusively for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe farmers. Second, scale of finance for short-term production credit will be revised annually so that the credit made available to the farmer fully meets the recommended doses of inputs at current prices to meet his cultivation requirements. Stop. Third, a special credit regime is being instituted for kisans in rain-fed farming areas covered by watershed development programs. Stop. The new regime will operate on the basis of ensuring the availability of credit through a 3 to 5 year cycle so as to even out the inherent risks involved in good and bad monsoon years appearing in a cycle in such areas. Stop. The special credit regime will take into account problems of overdues which arise within a cyclical period to ensure an adequate flow of credit in support of viable crop production and other allied activities. Stop. This regime will be reinforced by a major program of watershed development in rain-fed farming areas. Stop. The fourth step is essentially procedural, which kisans will immediately recognize as being of the utmost importance to their requirements. Stanza. The National Agricultural Credit Relief Fund will devise a comprehensive relief policy based on the special characteristics of production and the severity of damage in different agroclimatic zones. Stop. Through the rescheduling of loans and waivers of interest and principal. Stop. In defined circumstances, the credit needs of farmers in different zones will be kept in view. Stop. While we have invested astronomical sums of money in land improvement and irrigation, our management of land and water resources has been so poor as to tender the benefits secured far below the optimum achievable. Stop. We propose to take a number of steps. Full stop. Over.